Hi viewers, today we're going to read our latest Bluey book, Typewriter. Now let's get to reading. At school, Bluey's been a story writer. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Tick, 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 ching! Tick, 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 ching! Everyone sits up straight to listen. Snickers tries, but oops! The gnome insisted that the old dog open a chest. Calypso continues, and when he did, he discovered it was full of treats. Bluey doesn't think the story makes sense, so she decides to write a new one with a better ending. But when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. Hey, where'd the real typewriter go? I'll go ask Calypso, says Bluey. I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter. On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. Hey Snickers, what's wrong? Everyone else has learned to sit, except me. But you're sausage dog, says Bluey. It's going to take you longer, because you're longer. I hate being a sausage dog, Snickers minds. Bluey suggests that Snickers come to find Calypso to see if she can help them both. Why don't you come to see Calypso with us? Wait. On the way, they bump into Winton. He looks sad too. Hey, Winton, what's wrong? Everyone keeps running away from me. Why don't you come to see Calypso with us, asked Bluey. Maybe she could help. Okay, says Winton, I'll follow you. The three friends head off until they're stopped by the terriers. They're playing a game. Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you, the terriers say when Bluey, Snickers and Winton don't fall over. Not real ones, said Snickers. Please, can you pretend that they're pretend real, asked the terriers. Okay, Bluey says. She loves Snickers and Winton. Arrows get down, they race away from the pretend real arrows. Snickers, you sneak round them through those skinny trees, Bluey says, and wait at the top of the hill to do you know what. Snickers sneaks through the skinny trees and the terrier tries to spot him. I'm coming, where are you? But Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. Ask him a question, she tells Winton, and then he'll run away. Winton is confused. Why would he run? Why would he run away if I ask a question? Because you're a space invader. It's someone who stands too close. Winton gives it a go. Are you gluten free? Winton, not so close. Just tell me, are you gluten free? Ah, it works. The last terrier has him trapped, but Winton had an idea. Use this shield, he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. Okay, said Bluey, hang on. There's ping, badoing, ping, badoing, ping, badoing. Badoing, ping, badoing, ping, badoing, ping. They escape and scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winton run up the hill, but the terriers soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, Snickers, now sausage raw, well up being a sausage dog. Sausage raw. Good one, Snickers, Bluey and Winton shout, then Bluey laughs. Hey Winton, look, Winton isn't standing close. I'm not a space invader. Finally, Bluey asks Calypso where the real typewriter's gone. It's around here somewhere, says Calypso. Hey, how did you get past terrors? I use shields, says Bluey. See, ting ting. That's a nice shield. Okay, typewriter, where is it, Calypso smiled. What if I asked you to show me a typewriter? Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter just so he used a pretend real shield to escape the terriers. That's lovely typewriter, isn't it, says Calypso. Thanks, Calypso, says Bluey as she races off. I'm going to write my story now, and it's a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her. Bye, viewers. The next update will be in 2 days with a new Bluey book.